Starla Pro Soulmate drone. So here is Starla app. So I upgraded to Pro subscription just to show you whether it's worth it. So it just depends on the price and everything. They only have monthly subscriptions. They don't have free trial, and this is the feature. So now you can just see your Soulmate drawing in the full capacity, which is again a viral feature on TikTok, where you just have this astrology app, and then these apps using AI is drawing your possible partner dependent on your zodiac sign and compatibility and all of that. So it just takes some time. So and then you can see all of these details like similar vibes, hard part, physical attachment style, and then yeah, you just will have it. This is kind of the image what you might have, and then you can see the chart in here. So and then you can chat with your soulmate flows, communicate. So similar vibes, all these additional features that have been unlocked in 1 hour or few days. This is interesting engagement feature in the app. So they, even if you upgrade, they don't unlock all the features at once. So you still need to wait. So live together, the hard part, physical attraction, attachment style, communication style, soulmate flows, what draws them to you, red flag warning, shared cosmic mission. And then, yeah, you can just chat with your soulmate in here. So yeah, that's basically the idea of what you can get in the app. So Starla, and then you can then just chat with it, kind of like with the bot. And that's basically the idea in here. So that's what you get. Again, you need to upgrade to see it. I don't know whether you can delete it or regenerate the image. So that's basically what you can get. So yeah, that's what the overview of Soulmate drawing upgraded. Also, you will get access to all of this friend advice features, to personal growth, romantic advice, dream interpreter, daily horoscope, tarot reading, ask me anything in upgraded version. So that's what it is. Hope it is helpful. And yeah, you can just go and find it like that. Starla app called the universe. This is the app. This is how it's called by Indie Labs. I guess there will be more and more apps like that because this is a viral feature right now via TikTok. So that's just what's happening. So yeah, hope this is helpful.